This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Meghalaya, a 6-member expert committee of the Northeastern Hill University has revealed that the radiation levels at Nongbajinrin, where the tanks for storing uranium ores as well as villages nearby in southwest Khasi Hills district are well within the safety levels. The Meghalaya government had last year constituted an expert team under the chairmanship of Professor B. Mirbo, Department of Chemistry, NEHU, to ascertain the factual position regarding the radiation levels and whether there is any health hazard in the area. The expert committee also found that 100 feet away from the source in the rivulet Futsinkai, the levels of radiation are higher than at the source, which requires further study. The expert committee visited the site on November 10th last year, and the report was received by the government on December 17th last year. After examining the report, the Meghalaya government has decided to undertake a separate study on the rocks and sediments of Futsinkai and get them analyzed at a credible laboratory to determine the exact cause of the radiation. Nagaland, along with the rest of the country, will join the National Immunization Day on Sunday. State Immunization Officer, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Ritu Thur, said the department is all geared up to administer polio drops to all eligible children up to 5 years throughout the state in 2,206 polio booths to be manned by 9,096 health personnel and 441 supervisors, along with vaccines and other logistics. Special focus will be given to migrant population. In Meghalaya, the elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council will be held on April 9th and counting of votes will take place on April 14th. The poll schedule was approved by the State Cabinet during its meeting chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in Shillong yesterday. The GHADC has 30 members, 29 elected and 1 member nominated by the Governor. A notification for calling the constituencies to elect the new members of the council will be issued on March 8th, and from this day, the Model Code of Conduct will come into force. The filing of nominations by the contesting candidates will start on March 8th, and the last date for filing of nominations is March 15th. Cadet Bikash Debnath of the 13th Tripura Battalion NCC Agartala earned the honor of leading the NER NCC contingent during an annual PM rally at Karyappa Parade Ground, New Delhi yesterday. A second-year student of Swami Vivekanand Mahavidyalaya, Mohanpur, West Tripura, Bikash was the lone representative of NCC from Tripura to attend the Republic Day camp in 2021 and to earn this distinction. Nagaland Chief Secretary Themjen Toy has passed away at his residence in Kohima yesterday. Born in 1964, Toy is survived by his wife and 4 children. The IAS officer entered the service in 1989 and has served the Nagaland government in various capacities. Nagaland Governor Anand Ravi said the state has lost an able administrator and one of the finest human beings. Chief Minister Nephew Rio expressed sadness over the demise of Themjen Toy and termed him a humble, upright and a dedicated government servant. Mr. Rio said that his death is a huge loss for the government of Nagaland and the Nagas as a whole. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton and Leader of Opposition T.R. Zilliang also condoled the demise of the Chief Secretary. Condolences poured in from across the state, including political parties, ministers, bureaucrats and well-wishers. A state funeral will be accorded to late Themjen Toy today afternoon at his official residence, Officers Hill, Kohima. All government offices in Kohima will remain closed. Nagaland reported only 1 COVID-19 positive case from Peren district yesterday, along with the recovery of 5 patients. The number of active cases in the state now stands at 52. With no report of COVID-19 death case in the last 2 weeks, the state has so far registered 78 COVID deaths. In Manipur, 15 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases in the past 24 hours, while 23 persons were discharged with a total recovery rate of 98.19%. Manipur has recorded a total of 28,499 recovered and discharged cases, while the number of active cases is 153. The total number of positive cases is 29,022. The total fatality in the state till date is 370. In Meghalaya, 8 new COVID-19 cases were reported yesterday, while 7 people have recovered. The state has 90 active cases, while the death toll is 146. A total of 13,513 persons have recovered from COVID-19 so far. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.